Hi, myself Harish, Biology faculty from Global IITs. In this video, we're going to talk about a very important concept, incomplete dominance. Now let us understand what is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is a phenomenon in which the F1 hybrid characters will be an intermediate of the parental gene. So very simple, whatever the F1 hybrid characters we are getting here, it will be intermediate that of the parental gene. So here, a very important thing we have to note, the phenotypic ratio deviates from a Mendel's monohybrid cross. So generally, whatever the Mendel's monohybrid ratio we saw, that is 3:1, it won't be same in this case of incomplete dominance. Okay, guys, it is quite commonly seen in the plants of 4 o'clock plant and snapdragon. Now, let us understand detailing with the illustration of incomplete dominance. Now, we are crossing a two-colored flower, that is red and white. Their genotypes are represented as capital R and small r respectively. Here, when the gametes are obtained, they undergo F1 generation. As a result of F1 generation, we getting capital R and small r. That is, in a heterozygous condition, we are getting a capital R and small r. Now here, if this was a normal, a general Mendel cross, we used to tell it's a heterozygous red. But here, we cannot say that. Here, it's showing an intermediate character, that is pink. So pink is the intermediate between red and white. So now let us move on over here. For F2, that is selfing, F1 has to hybrid with F1 here. Here also, the genotype is capital R and small r. What we obtained the same here. When you just take the F2 here we get one homozygous red we are getting here, two heterozygous pink we are getting here, and one homozygous white flower we are obtaining. But if you remember monohybrid cross, there we used to get three a dominant character and one a recessive. But here we are getting one dominant, one recessive, but here the two intermediate flowers are same. So this is what a ratio deviation, that is the phenotypic ratio is deviating here. So this is also called as partial dominance. See here, the two alleles which is responsible for red and as well as the white, they are partially involved over here. So that's why we are calling them as a partial dominance.